Hey Queendom, good morning. It's an amazing morning and thank you so much for the support so far. We are at 300 plus. I'm so sure by the time I post this, we are going to be around 400 subscribers in just around 3 weeks. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you like this content. So, on today's video, I'm so sure you're here because you want to style your mini twist as easy as possible, as fast as you can, because you're in a rush, you're in a hurry, you want to just simply style it and go, because you don't want to comb your hair. You are so lazy like I am to just complicate things. So let's do this. Alright guys, so those were the 7 most simple styles that you can just do anywhere at any time. Just sprinkle your twist with a little bit of water and it's easy to style it, right? Thank you so much for watching this video up to this moment. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.